Benefits of social media marketing. Are you having difficulty starting a business as a result of not having a shop? Do you have a shop already but need more customers by creating awareness? Do you want to keep in touch with your customers on a regular basis? These and many more are the benefits accrued from social media marketing. Today, a greater percentage of the world's population is on one or more of the social media platforms, so any marketer that is yet to take advantage of this marketing technique is missing out big time. And do you know what? It doesn't cost much to exploit, as all you need is data and the right approach, but nevertheless, it is still one of the ways to effectively promote your business from your comfort zone. Below are some benefits you can derive from social media marketing. 1. Larger awareness. This is the most glaring advantage of social media marketing. Through social media marketing, you are able to create more awareness for your products quickly and easily. This in turn makes it easier for consumers to recognize your product and increase your sales. 2. Build trust. In business, trust is vital. You can build trust with your customers through social media marketing. This is done when other people who may have used your product attest to its benefits. Potential customers therefore will feel safe going into business with you, as they have heard from other, reliable sources about your product. 3. Gives room for improvement. This is one of the benefits of social media marketing. As a marketer using social media platforms to enhance your business, you must be open to both praises and criticisms. While the praises will be needed to draw more customers, the criticisms, however, will be needed for you to improve on your product in the areas where it needs improvement. 4. Enhances good relationships with customers. In social media marketing, you are able to keep in touch with your customers. Know what they want and how best you can serve them. You must try to respond to their messages, be it good or bad. With this, they can be sure that you have their interest at heart, and this will keep your customers from leaving. 5. Establish your brand as a topical authority. When we say topical authority, this means your business is a trusted source of information on a given topic. Now, the more you use social media to post relevant content, the more search engines will pick up on your authority on that subject, thus directing customers to your page when they seek a particular topic of interest. 6. Increases your traffic. Social media marketing can help in sending customers directly to your site, as the platforms allow for more diverse inbound traffic streams. This is because most social media platforms allow you to post content with a link to your website. When you create compelling content, you can entice your audience to click on the link. This directs them to your site, where they can learn more about your business. 7. Helps you evaluate your performance. Social media platforms make it easy for you to check your performance to ascertain if you're driving valuable results. You can determine how many people see your posts, comment, like, share, and more. By so doing, you can measure your performance and seek ways to improve it. 8. Costs less. In light of all these benefits, it is important to note that it costs nothing to start social media marketing. None of the largest platforms have sign-up fees of any sort, so the only investment you'll need to make is in the form of time. However, there are paid advertising options on most social media platforms, which can be a great tool for growing your following and reaching more users, but they are by no means mandatory for businesses. Many thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.